Ever been stuck trying to connect your favorite Bluetooth headset to your PS4 only to hit a brick wall? You are not alone. Sony's restrictions on Bluetooth devices can be a real pain. But don't worry, I've got 3 easy ways to get your headset working in no time. Before jumping into the solutions, let's quickly talk about why the PS4 doesn't support most Bluetooth devices. Sony limits compatibility due to concerns about lag and performance, meaning only a handful of official headsets work seamlessly. But that does not mean you have to buy a new one. Let's look at how you can make your existing headset work. The first and easiest method is using a USB Bluetooth dongle. Here is how. Grab a compatible USB Bluetooth adapter. These are affordable and widely available online. Plug it into your PS4's USB port. Switch your headset into pairing mode and connect it to the dongle. Go to your PS4 audio settings, select the dongle as your output, and you are good to go. This method is simple, cost-effective, and works great for wireless gaming. If you don't want to spend money on a dongle, there is another option. If your headset has 3.5mm jack, you can go old school with a wired connection. Plug your headset directly into your PS4 controller using an auxiliary cable. Go to your settings, then devices, and adjust the audio output to headset connected to controller. This method isn't wireless, but it gets the job done for zero extra cost. It's a great backup option for budget-conscious gamers. Solution 3. The Bluetooth transmitter. If you want a wireless experience but don't have a USB dongle, you can use an external Bluetooth transmitter. Plug the transmitter into the PS4 controller's 3.5mm port or your TV's audio output. Pair your headset with transmitter just like you would with any Bluetooth device. This method is ideal if you already own a transmitter or prefer more flexibility in device compatibility. If things don't work as expected, don't panic. Here are a few quick fixes that might also work. Ensure your headset and adapter are fully charged. Keep the devices closed during pairing. Check if your dongle or transmitter has any firmware updates available and install them for better performance. These tips can solve most common pairing issues quickly. And there you have it. 3 simple ways to connect your unsupported Bluetooth headset to your PS4. Whether you go for the dongle, the wired connection, or the transmitter, you can finally ditch those compatibility issues and enjoy your gaming session in peace.